Welcome to another instruction video. Today I'm showing you how to roll the neck muscles. I'm here with my friend Karin again.
Hi.
You know her from the last video. And she's complaining a little bit about tensions around the neck, especially after surfing.
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm going to show you and you how to roll the neck muscles with the black roll standard. This one. You can basically lay down on the mat, get the roller and put the roller beneath your neck. The palm of your hands to the sky, yeah, like a Shavasana. Put it a little bit further down. Awesome. And now you can really take it easy. If you want to have more pressure on your neck, you could bring the hips up. But I really suggest everyone to take it nice and easy. We want to have less pressure here. Less is definitely more when we're treating the neck muscles. So the eyes are closed and slowly start moving the head from left to right. Maybe at the beginning you don't feel anything happening, but if you keep doing it for about a minute, you start feeling that your muscles are getting softer. Alright, Karin is doing it for quite a while now. And then stop on one side and move the head up and down. This is a really relaxing exercise, but you start to feel that there's something happening around your neck. It's getting spongy, releasing tension and getting flexible and elastic again. Maybe you even feel a sensation up to your head. Sometimes when I got headaches, I can totally feel that they originate from my neck. Always keep breathing and then do the same on the other side. You can also wave your head from left to right. So always move your head up and down and from left to right simultaneously. And then come back to the middle. And what I like to do at the end of the neck massage is placing the roller at the bone that is standing out of the back of your head. Then relax the arms to the side, straight legs. And just meditate for 1 or 2 minutes. Focus on your breathing. Breathe into your belly. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes and slowly sit up. So releasing the neck is really relaxing. What do you think, Karin? How do you feel now?
I feel deep relaxed.
Deep relaxed,
Yeah,
super
really
nice.
nice.
Combining foam rolling with meditation is really good. Focus on your breathing while you're on the roller. Even enhances the effect of rolling. If you want to learn more about fascia, read one of my blog posts. The link is in the description below. In another video, I showed you how to release tensions around the shoulder blades and neck muscles with the black roll twister, which is a really nice addition to the standard roll. If you want to get a black roll, use my personal discount code to get 15% off all products. The code is in the description below. If you want to learn more about a healthy and sustainable lifestyle in surfing and skateboarding, make sure to subscribe for this channel and hit the bell button. Have you seen Karin? Is she so relaxed? Is she gone?
Let's go. Come on. Let's go for a paddle.
I have to go surfing. So thanks for watching. See you in the next week's episode. Until then, take it nice and easy.
Ich bin jetzt nur mit dem Fuß
I am posting a new instruction video every Tuesday at 8 p.m. Additionally, I post a coffee talk where I talk about anything that pops up in my mind every Sunday at 8 a.m. And I still continue writing on my blog, and I post a new topic every Thursday at 6 p.m.